Hello everyone, welcome.
What is a road trip? A road trip is a journey made by car, usually for leisure or adventure. It's a way to explore new places, experience different cultures, and create memorable moments. Road trips allow you to be in control of your itinerary and give you the freedom to go wherever you want. Not only do road trips give you a chance to see beautiful landscapes, but they also offer the opportunity to connect with your travel companions. Planning a road trip is essential for a successful adventure. Firstly, decide on your destination and map out your route. Check for any attractions, landmarks, or pit stops along the way that you might want to visit. Research the best time to visit and the weather conditions for your chosen route. Make sure your car is in good shape before embarking on a long trip. Get it serviced, check the tire pressure, and ensure all necessary documents are with you. Pack essential items such as snacks, water, a first aid kit, extra clothing, and any specific items depending on the nature of your trip. Plan your accommodations in advance to avoid any last-minute hassles. Consider booking hotels or camping spots along your route. Be flexible with your schedule and allow for unforeseen circumstances or changes in plans. Have a mix of activities planned, like visiting national parks, exploring local cuisine, or engaging in outdoor adventures. Bring entertainment for the journey like music, podcasts, or audiobooks to make the drive more enjoyable. Keep an eye on your budget to avoid overspending during your road trip. Stay safe during your trip by following traffic rules, taking regular breaks, and not driving under the influence of alcohol or drugs. Be prepared for emergencies by keeping a spare tire, a toolkit, and emergency contact numbers handy. Enjoy the journey. Road trips are about the experience, the journey itself, and the memories you create along the way. So, hit the open road and embrace the freedom and adventure of a road trip.
If you enjoyed this video, consider sharing it with your friends and family. Your support helps my channel grow and reach more people who may benefit from it. Thank you for watching.